Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Letitia K. If it is your first time on this channel, you are definitely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or returning watcher, thank you very much for coming back. But also make sure you're not just a returning watcher, make sure you are a returning subscriber. So please do click on that subscribe button. Make sure that you do like, you do comment, and you do share this video. So it is another vlog, right? I don't show a few snippets. Yesterday I had my grocery top up, so that is what you would have seen. Just small snippets of this morning, my breakfast and his breakfast. What else did I show? That's just it. So what I am doing today is that I have to go do my lashes, my nails, and I have to do a pedi as well. So we're gonna go do that, some little maintenance. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to do braids, but I also want to do it straight up, but I also want to cut my hair again. I don't know what to do with my hair. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood for wigs, but I want to show you something. I don't know what these things are called. Are they called curling rods? But I bought these things. I've already used one where I was testing out my wigs, these dry curling my hair, and the curls came out so nice. So I only bought one pack. It's a size 3. So yeah, the smaller the number, the bigger this thing. So a size 4 was smaller than this, so I bought a size 3. I'm gonna go and buy, there's 10 in a pack, so I'm gonna buy another 10, and then I'm gonna curl my wig, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, basically. So let's go. You know what, I've been they've posted a season, Real Housewives of Jersey. Is it Real Housewives of Jersey? Yes, Real Housewives of New Jersey on Showmax. So I've been binging on that. But and then we're gonna come back. I also want to do banana bread. So we're gonna attempt baking in the air fryer. As you know, I don't have an oven, just have a stove top, then in the air fryer. So ndifuna uattempt ukubhaka banana bread. Ndine banana eziripe indlela eziripe zibolile. Okay, well, banana zibolile ziripe kakhulu, like ixolo lakhona limnyama. So those are the bananas that I'm gonna use. We're gonna attempt ndinayo flour, but I don't know if it's enough. Okay, maybe we should add flour and see. I have a baking powder and bicarbonate, so I'm gonna think of buying a baking soda, vanilla extract, vanilla essence. I have to buy that. I hope I remember to buy those things. Then sibuye sizokwenza banana bread. Yeah, so for now let's do that. So kwenzeka ntoni. But yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's not cold, it's a bit warm. So yeah, mhlawumbe ntshomi zam. All that I know is there was a sign they recognize you. Please don't deny me. I am back. I'm back from the salon. Nails are done. This is the shortest nails I have ever done in my life. The shortest. I've never done this length, but it's cutesy. It's demure. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the space on my phone. I don't even remember what I was saying, but yeah. Nails done, lashes are done. Right, and my feet done. So, some order has been restored. Okay, so I'm back. So obviously, I would never go to the mall and not pass by the grandfather. I got 4 dunked wings and 4 zingers. So I've got 4 dunked and 4 zinger wings because I didn't know if I wanted zinger wings or if I wanted dunked wings. So I got that. I know I did get cheese puffs, but it was like cheese balls and I didn't get to eat them. My best friend ate those chips. I got some custard. I want to make some homemade custard. Let me just wipe this screen because what is going on? Off. There we go. Oh, what was that? What was that? Baby, So yeah, I got custard, homemade custard. For the banana bread that I'm going to do now, I got some vanilla essence. I got the 40 ml because I'm not big on baking, so this will probably be the first and last time that I'm baking this year. But I hope not. I want to be in my baking era. I've been looking at things that I can make in my air fryer and I can also bake. So I'm going to be in my baking era with my air fryer. So I got that. That's just it. Yeah. So I'm going to have my wings and start on the baking of the banana bread. I don't know, but let's see how it comes out. I hope and pray it comes out right. I live alone, so I doubt I'll be able to eat whatever amount I'm gonna make of a banana bread. I'm gonna probably have to share with other people, maybe people from my church tomorrow when I go to church. But let's see how it goes first before saying I'm gonna share. We can't be thinking of share disaster. This is one thing about the VLLO sana. This is our poker. The first few hours or days. Oh guys, this length, this color, I love it so much. It's giving elegant, it's giving sisom dala. But anyway, so let's start baking. What do you bring to the table? I bring I bring your bra. Not even the vanilla essence can sit there. Okay, let me stop doing this. I don't bring ibele to the table. I must look for something else to bring.
My main nigga bet you know this how I feel. Out of my way, you are the party begin. Boy, you can't trust decision, you hear me. You must have caught in your cross while you are one. And I'm waiting in you like it's cool, want it like it's cool when you pull up over with that. All these know there was a sign. They recognize you. go shooting where your heart beats. You can take a bullet, try to save it, and I'm left to dip and make it easy. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been tripping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep giving. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me going. Love's taking love, baby, going. It's taking love, got me going. Not bad, for tripping on you, ripping on you. Not bad, for tripping on you, ripping on you. I'm cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I say the bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. That's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been tripping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep giving. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me going. Taking love, baby, going.
Okay, no flashlight. This is my banana bread that did not come out right. It's a disaster. So what I'm realizing is that with my air fryer, the heat is only on top. It does not circulate around the air fryer, so the bottom was not baking, so only the top was baking. And then I ruined it by taking it out of the air fryer and turning it around and then baking it from the top. That still did not work. But I have to say the top part, it's quite nice, Shem. I don't want to lie. It's nice. It tastes nice, but it's just that it's a disaster. Okay. I don't know if it's an air fryer issue or what is it, but anyway, I'm going to eat the pieces that I can actually eat, and then I'm going to attempt again.